Okay, so this is the 26th still, I guess 27 here, but Thursday the 26th, September 26th, 2024, but I'm in Japan, so it's already at the 27th. Anyways, I was ready to go to bed, but then so it's testing the low again, and it doesn't look like a reversal pattern, but uh, um, I'm also thinking, maybe I don't think it will go lower. It's not the type of chart that I go long, but um, just because this just below these highs, and what am I doing? It's not necessary. Yeah, I don't know. Really, not sure. Oh, I should have. That was like the entry, I guess. Maybe. What is this? I don't need this. So listening to some music. Get rid of that. That's what I need. So I don't know. Have like an insomnia, stress related insomnia since I came back to Japan. So I have some bad period that I had to take, like meds, like benzos, and I already took it. So I really shouldn't be trading, but um, I usually end up in like a bad result, but not always. I mean, if it's like an obvious trade, I might get in. I mean, still probably not a good idea, but if I'm gonna do a trade, I'm gonna do it on live, so it's recorded. So even if it's a stupid trade, it will be recorded. So yeah, what is delta negative? Delta is not. It's kind of dropping, so maybe it's not good. Not good to get in, maybe. I think at least should be become neutral before you get in. This should be 3 minutes. Should be 3 minutes. So low, the volume is low. Yeah, maybe we should come down a bit more actually, if I think about it. So this is I measured it earlier. It's the Fibonacci from here to here. Fibonacci, the 60 point, was it 60.2? Yeah, it's that one anyway. It's that one anyway. And what else can we look at? All these, you know, positive, delta, negative here. Lots of volume here, lots of volume. Lots of volume. Can we hold it there? That's the question. I mean, this is bearish action. I wanted to get in here too, but I was going to bed and didn't do it. That looked good because, you know, down, and then I did, I just, you know, couldn't picture down to here and then up, right? I tried to picture like, you know, going up and going down, right? And then got this with this kind of low volume, boom, boom, then boom. I just, you know, I don't remember seeing that, so if it doesn't look like something I have seen, that means it's probably not gonna happen. Instead, you know, if did this is what I remember seeing way more than from here to up, so I kind of go with like my memory, that kind of memory. I might have like pretty good maybe photographic memory kind of thing. I don't know, I'm not sure if I'm better than other people or not. But I do have ADHD, so I might be good at something like that, I don't know. So yeah, now it's looking like this. Can you imagine this chart going up? It's kind of tough, right? At this point, it's kind of tough. If it was to do that, it needs to do some more choppy action here, then slowly up or something. Unless it's like a news. So yeah, looking like a lower two. That would be nice. But back to this previous, you know, all-time high from July. Back to this area would be nice. But that is not a good bounce. That's not a good reversal level because it was good around there, but now I think it's it got old, you know, it's getting old because, yeah. It has some effect still, but you know, like this here. But maybe back to this. Yeah, like 1 week POC at this level. There, just below 5-day moving average. That looks kind of nice. If it came down to here, get some volume, There's some delta. And go up. I mean, it feels kind of low, right? But I just feel like that's a trend, you know? Like right now, just pull back like lower than usual, lower than what we want, then go up, kind of thing has been the popular trend lately. So I'm just not expecting anything to do like a textbook lower high kind of thing anymore for now. Maybe the election will change, you know. A lot of things will just be reset. So maybe, yeah, maybe that, you know, textbook kind of easier trading will be back. Whoever it wins. Really low volume, which I hate. Okay, this is getting boring again. This I have seen this kind of like take off and back to, you know, back down to this kind of area like so many times. So many times. And trading around that level, from what I remember, is always not easy. And then suddenly, boom, take off. You know, suddenly, boom, to the upside when you're not expecting it. Is the kind of scenario I remember last few times. But maybe I'm better now and I can predict it. I don't know. Maybe from what time is it? New York lunchtime? I see. Lunchtime. Everybody is having lunch. Miss those New York lunch. Live there for a bit. Those, you know, those big sandwiches, lots of meat. Is it like the Jewish deli or something? Pastrami and all that kind of stuff. Corned beef, pastrami, so much meat in it. So good. I'm sure there are better ones, but like I went to like Cat's Deli or something like that. Cat's Deli, where is that? Was it Lower East? Maybe like north end of Lower East Side, maybe. I can't remember. Yeah. That's good sandwich. If you get like a sandwich in Japan, you know, the meat thickness of the meat is like 10% of that, or even less. Everything's so small, you know. McDonald's small. I hate that stuff. I don't eat that stuff, but Kentucky smaller. I also hate that stuff. I hate fast food. And yeah, the other day I had to eat Burger King. I had no choice, no time. I had to bring something for my friend. The Burger King was actually not that small, so I was surprised. Not that small, and it was better. It tasted actually better than I lived in Canada, so when I used to eat Burger King once in a while, years and years ago. I don't know, like 20 years ago or something. Maybe that's why it's better, I don't know. Anyways, and they had all these new menus, the Burger King, but I still don't want to eat that stuff. Like, eat healthy, you know. Fast food is like the last thing I want to eat. And what about the trade? I don't know, I just haven't made any trade for like how many days? I feels like almost a whole week now. Like, this has never happened in my life. Doing this live and so careful and like missing trades, being too careful. But I think it's good because I do have over trading problem. Yeah, sometimes I trade like, you know, maybe I do something stupid right in the morning and I get angry and do more stupid trading, you know, I'll lose some money, I'll lose like, first maybe I'll lose like, you know, $300-400, then I get angry, do some stupid reaction trading, like random trading, and then I might lose like 1,000-2,000 sometimes. Then I take a break and okay, you know, I don't usually quit like that. I'm gonna make it back, you know. So I usually make the money back, you know, now, because now I'm really focused and I'm like being selective, aggressive but selective, and then I just, you know, make it back to, you know, break even or even make more. But then I'm like so tired, exhausted, it's really not worth it, right? Better to have no trade. And sometimes, you know, I just lose and I can't make my money back, and that will be my losing day. And that's how I lose money usually. That's the only way. But if I'm, you know, staying calm like this, that won't happen, and I just make like a few good trades and everything is good. But making no trades, you don't lose money, but I just feel like, you know, what did I do this week? Like, just watched. I did learn some things, you know. Of course, you always learn things just by watching. Yeah. Sometimes you learn more stuff by watching than trading, because when you're trading, there's like emotion involved. But when you're watching, there's no emotion, so no emotion involved, so you notice small things. You just looking at from like a neutral point of view, right? No bias when you know that you're just watching. So when you have the neutral or no bias, you can see the things that you can't see when you have upside or downside bias, I think. And sometimes by doing that, you come up with like a new way of trading in some different situations that you didn't before. Yeah, so this is gonna bounce back, but I think it's gonna take more time. Maybe go a bit lower, back to these areas, this area. And it's lunchtime, so okay, I guess I am going to bed. Hopefully it doesn't bounce back up too high, because I want to trade some good setup tomorrow. Not like way up there, some new high. Not like this morning. I hope it's not gonna be like that when I wake up. Like been waiting for this for so long, and then it just happens at night, right? I mean, yeah, sometimes that's the case, but I mean, it did that here too, I guess. I don't know if it was news or I forgot. Oh yeah, it was after the day after the news. Not the day, but after the FOMC. So that, kind of expected, right? So yeah, and I did trade. I woke up and I did trade this, so that was really good. Yeah, but I knew that. I saw that too, so should have traded that for sure, but oh well. Oh, and here, short from there. That was easy trade too. I missed. I think I was watching too. I was watching. They missed it. There was some good trades. That and that was like a easy and pretty good trade. Missed that day. I can't remember if I missed something. And yesterday was, I don't know, too slow. Then I just wasn't even. Yeah. I wasn't really focused or watching, so I kind of started late, so I missed that. That could have been okay, under this overnight POC quick scalp could have been good. I don't think I was able to keep it like that, the way, but probably just sold it at VWAP and sold it at VWAP, maybe kept the other half, but then it did this, so I kind of stopped that, right? So, and this one right here looked easy, but yeah, I was doing something else. So yeah, what are we doing now? Is it going down? Can we get into that? That's tough, right? Tough from there to there. There to there. Let's see what happened before. Yeah, it's probably kinda going down smooth there to there. I mean, looking at this or like this. So pretty aggressive. Could go bounce back up, so it's scary, right? That's dangerous trading. Well, it did work, but it could have worked, but if you were looking at, I'm looking at this, right? So looking pretty, pretty good, right? Negative and ready to go. Especially after this bump below here, if you could have caught it, then out. Quick. Whatever, it's almost nothing, whatever. Just kind of feeling desperate because I didn't do any trading this week. But probably not a good attitude to be trading, being desperate. So yeah, that was good bouncing. You could have bought it there too, but I don't know. The PLC is just below, so I don't know if it's heading there or heading there. It's heading somewhere. It's heading somewhere. There's always like a destination kind of thing, right? It's heading somewhere. I feel like it's heading there. Maybe it was there. That's a good bounce. You didn't even touch it. What does that mean? Is it still coming back down, or there's so many buyers that it didn't even reach there? Like I was saying earlier, this quick down and up kind of thing, it used to keep going up, but the recent trend is that boom, boom, up, even up to here, it still comes down after most of the times. So But it's kind of hard, kind of hard to show when actually this one was okay. Yeah, could have reshot it actually. Would have been a nice shot. I was too slow. Yeah, it's good. Good negative delta. So I guess. Yeah. There's IB initial balance 150, initial balance 200. So 200 is it from the middle to the IB low times, or maybe from there to there, high to low times plus 50% of it is there maybe, and that times 2 is this 200. I don't really use it to trade or anything, but just have it because people have it on their chart. Yeah, so we're still at the previous all-time high from July. Is this gonna be the bounce area or the POC? Or we're gonna keep going down and becomes failed breakout, this whole thing, which would be my favorite scenario. Go back down to this area. If that happens, probably keeps going down, right? Trade that short would be nice, but don't really see enough reasons. The news is not bad, the politics are not bad, so okay, so can we go long here? Is there enough reasons to go long? One reason, right, this line. Two reasons, okay, just below the 5-day, that happens a lot. So 1, 2 reasons. If there's one more good reason, I should give it a try. Maybe like a good volume and delta, retest this, or at least come closer to it. And if it finds some buying around this area, then We'll try to upside. It's kind of aggressive, but you know, because delta's low. There's no divergence. There are some, you know, there's two reasons, but there's one bad reason too, which is we were above this POC. There's a good chance it'll go down to this POC. You know, down, because it has been. That has been more of a reversal area. That's even lower, but there's that. Yeah, I mean, this one held, it kind of held here. It's very tough call. It already went down there, so that's not quite, it didn't go down to quite POC. It's almost. So if we went almost, it might do it and go even a little bit below, then back up. It would be better, I think. Can you say this is a trend line? I see. Don't run away from there. I guess that. Yeah. Okay, so no pullback, no chance. I mean, if I bought it there, you know, your stop is like, how many ticks is that, right? If you bought it there, your stop is like 24 ticks. I can't do that, you know. You can stop. You can put your stop there. You buy it. Put your stop there, and then if it goes lower, buy it back up. Buy it back as it goes back up. I do that sometimes, but I stopped doing it. I want a pullback and well, you know, more solid entry. Yeah, but sometimes I buy it there. Sometimes I'll chase it there. It's worth chasing it sometimes if you're, you know, pretty confident, of course. But those are the trading I stopped doing. Although it, you know, if you don't get angry, I think you can do that. But when I do that and then I lose, that's the kind of trading it makes me angry, and then I start over trading. So yeah, that's why I stopped chasing this or buying this. I just want to buy it here. One more, you know, always a double bottom kind of thing. I don't know. I don't have the balls to buy it there. The first drop. Although I used to do that too. And in this case, you know, if you are set, your mind is set, like, okay, you know, this is the area I'm gonna buy it at this POC, and it came close enough, right? So, you know, I'm sure some people do it like that, but yeah, that's kind of scary for me. So are we going back up now? Are we going back up now? Did I miss it again? Maybe I should be more aggressive, because you know it has been like every time I thought, okay, you know, maybe this is a reversal, all of them have been correct. So maybe it's just for reversal levels, maybe it's acting good, you know. Just because, you know, before I was trying to look for an entry and I don't know, I was wrong a lot. So I made those mistakes a lot, you know, when kind of aggressive entry and then get stopped out, come back down again, and then, you know, come back down even deeper, or like just, yeah, had some difficulties with the way, you know, when I was a little bit more aggressive, that became the problem. So now I'm being super careful, and you know, the result is I shouldn't have been too careful. That was this week. I should have just go for it, right? But anyway, that's trading. Usually you adjust your trading to the trend, and then as soon as you adjust the trend, the pattern changes a bit. So yeah, that's all good. Just need to keep watching and adjust more quickly. Yeah, yeah. All these trades that I missed, like chasing would worked, you know, but I'm not gonna start chasing. That's just this week, and maybe next week is, you know, the opposite. Who knows? Okay, so is this going up? It looks like it's gonna go up. Of course, you know, it'll pull back, but pull back to maybe just do like a minor pullback. This is, I guess, another congested area right here. Alright, here, congested. This is past 3 days. This is today. This is today. Can I click it? Today. And this is what you see on the chart, and this is the 3 bars, not the 3. So you know, you can compare. No point comparing this to others, but this is just to see, you know, this. Well, you can compare, like, you know, what's on the chart and what's happening today. usually it aligns, but then sometimes you see like the pattern is changing, the volume pattern is changing, and then you might think, oh, something different is going to happen. While happening. Also, I can complain today and then 3 days, but I don't know. This is volume. This is total delta. Say for this one. So that was a pretty good move. Too bad. It's too bad it didn't fall back a bit lower than. Yeah, it would have been good. It would have been good entry, even if you missed it there. If you did that and go up, and then you're pretty sure, it's going up, right? So if you did that, and just buy it on the way up, depending on the delta, of course. If the delta is, if the positive going up volume is better, and then going up delta is better, more positive than the going down negative delta, then it's a buy. I think that's the way I buy. But just with that, I mean, it looks good here. Looks good here. Pretty neutral and good volume, and there's this. So buy above. Yeah, why not, I guess, but oh. Yeah, no pullback, just up. No pullback, just up. No chance. No chance to get in. This is here. This is. Huh. Okay, so that's the fallback. Missing interest. Take a nap here. That's some alarm. really low volume. You usually don't even want to touch when it's like this low. Whoa. Why is the volume so high? Oh. I feel like this is holding up, but maybe it's just the volume is really low and it's just slow and it'll come down slowly. So it's hard to tell when volume is so low if it's just like it's just slow or it's actually consolidating. So it's hard to tell. It could just be slow and then take time and then come down again, I don't know. It's too hard to judge. Okay, I'm going to bed. Is it doing something? Okay, see you tomorrow. Good trading, everyone.